हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू मीडिया एंड मोर। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मॉडल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अ कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक। तो आज इस कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक को लेट अस ब्रेक डाउन इनटू इजी वेज टू रिमेंबर। नाउ वी विल बी स्टडिंग अबाउट बेसिकली थ्री मॉडल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन which comprises of another 8 models of communication। तो पहले 3 मॉडल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज लीनियर मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, जिसके अंदर कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑलवेज वन वे। देन वी टॉक अबाउट इंटरैक्टिव मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन where the communication happens two ways between two parties. Now when we talk about transactional model of communication, it involves two parties plus feedback. The first model we'll talk about is Aristotle model of communication. This is one of the oldest model of communication given in 300 BC by Aristotle. The flowchart of this particular model reads as speaker, speech, occasion, audience, and effect. Speaker is the person who is delivering a speech. Occasion is the context of the message. Audience is the receiver who are listening to the message. And then is the effect. Talking about Aristotle model, he talks about art of persuasion as well, which is known as triangle of rhetoric. In this triangle, we have three components: ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos deals with trust, pathos deals with emotion, whereas logos deal with the logic in the speech. The next model of communication that comes into the category of linear model is hypodermic needle model. This model was given in 1927 by Harold D. Laswell. In this model, we believe that media act as a gun and they fire a message or they send a message to the audience. An audience unknowingly receive that message. In this model, what is important to know is that the audience is considered as the passive receiver and the media is considered as the active sender. The third model of communication that falls into linear category is Laswell model of communication. This particular model was given by Harold D. Laswell in 1948. The flowchart of this model reads as who says what in what channel, to whom, with what effect. Who here is known as the sender, says what depicts the message, in which channel is the medium, to whom is the receiver, and then with what effect is the effect part. The fourth and last model of communication that we will discuss about in linear category is mathematical model of communication. This model was given by Shannon and Weaver in 1949. We can also call it as Shannon-Weaver model of communication. The communication here flows from sender, encoder, channel, decoder, and then the receiver. Noise plays a very important role here because this was the first time that anybody heard the word noise in the field of mass communication. What is noise? Noise refers to anything that acts as a barrier in sending a message from sender to the receiver. Shannon and Weaver said there are three levels of noise: A, B, and C. The level A noise deals with channel. The level B noise deals with semantic noise, that is the meaning of the message. Level C noise deals with effectiveness. According to them, there are two types of noise as well. One is external noise and one is internal noise. Internal noise refers to noises that is created within the sphere of communication. That is, maybe there is a problem with the sender or the receiver, maybe the medium is a problem, there's a problem with encoding or decoding of the message as well. But when we talk about external noise, it can be a noise that comes from the external environment.
This is all for the models that come into the category of linear communication. The video for interactive model and transactional models has already been scheduled on YouTube. You can watch it after a day or two. Before we end this video, a very quick update that our application and our website is now live. On our website, you will find this button of download application where you can download the application and enjoy a lot of things. Other than that, you can take the test of this particular video and other MCQs and PYQs in free test series. Free classes are also available. Other than that, the live courses, paid courses are listed into this tab. Free notes and PDFs are available up here. Other than this, the most important thing is that in case you want to do PYQs, you can download all the PYQs of mass communication and journalism from here. This is the live course. Right now, this particular course is live. This is my recommendation to join it as fast as possible because exams are just 2 months away. Other than this, if you like our content, obviously like, follow, share, and bye bye. All the best.